Hello everyone. In the last session, we were introduced to the Python's if and else statement. In this session, we will see more uses of if condition in Python. Well, this is the general syntax of if and else statement. Whenever computer reads the if statement, it checks for the condition. If it is true, then the statement is executed. If false, it goes to the else statement. Let's execute an example. Suppose you want to check whether a candidate is eligible to apply for a driving license or not. The program requires two inputs, the name of the candidate and the candidate's age. Here, program will check the age, and if the age is above 18, the program will display the name and print the message that candidate is eligible to apply for a driving license. If the age is less, the candidate is not eligible to apply for the driving license. So, let's write the program. First, we will accept the name from the user using the input message like this. Then, we will accept the age of candidate. We will have to convert the age into an integer using the type converter int like this. Now, write the if statement and then the condition age is greater than equal to 18 followed by a colon. In the next line, we will give an indent and then write a print statement to display the candidate's name and the message that you are eligible to apply for a driving license like this. After that, write else followed by a colon. In the next line, give an indent and again display the candidate's name and a message that you cannot apply for a driving license. Here, the indent of if and else is the same. The statement inside if and else have one more indent of the tab. Based on this indent, Python decides which statement needs to be executed if the condition is true or false. Let's execute our program. Enter the name as John and the age as 21. Well, we got the correct output. Now run the program again and give the input as John and age as 15. Again, we got the correct output. This was a simple example of if and else statement. See, when you write any computer program, execution is done step by step, sequentially. But when you write an if and else statement, one statement is kept. In this example, computer first reads the input statement and then goes to the condition. If the condition is true, the statement under if are executed and the programs terminate. If the condition is false, the statement under else are executed and the programs end. In either case, only one statement is executed. Let's see one more small example. Suppose you want to check whether a student has passed or failed. To solve this problem, we will accept the percentage of student using the input statement like this. Please remember, we will have to convert the input into float. This is a float type converter. Generally, the passing percentage is 35. So, we will write a condition to check whether the percentage is greater than equal to 35. Then put a colon. And in the next line, use an indent and write the message that student is passed. We will then write an else condition. And inside else, we will print the statement that student has failed. You can run this program and check. If you want more such example, please go to this URL. You will find all the examples of if and else statement. Please practice hard. There is no shortcut to practice. If and else has just started. We will be learning if and else in detail in the coming section. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thanks for watching it.